Yo, what is up, guys? It is Nick here with the Raw Day Trading, and I got to do a review from yesterday, and then I'll do like a little weekly, monthly wrap up. Basically, yesterday I ended up being up 580, which basically ended my month flat after a really wild month, and let's get this. There we go. Let's get this going for the yesterday morning. It was kind of a crazy morning. I got billed out. I mean, I canceled most of an order, but I got filled partially, and then I just got roasted on that last filled position. Which is okay. And LSP runs before the bell. Trying to figure out 933. I think this was, yeah. Okay, so it's this one right here. So I had 5,000 shares queued up. It's kind of doing this thing. I don't know if I like this the best. You know, descending volume. I'm not taking it up here. But I think even taking it down 15 cents lower, just based on how it's moving here, how it's kind of like creeping lower. It's trying to come back here, basically catching a falling knife. I'm slow to cut there. Yeah, I had like a split second to cut. It was difficult because it did happen very fast. If I wasn't, I would have been down maybe like $2,000 if I had a full position in that. That's crazy. 25 cents, Jesus, maybe $2,500. Yeah, really wild action there. Totally reversing all support levels here. I mean, I guess it was within the first 5 minutes. First 5 minutes of the day still is a pretty treacherous place to be trading, especially with stuff like that. I could have either waited, you know. Yeah, I got to readjust to back out first 5 minutes. I don't know. That's a difficult one, at least on dips. Dips seem to be getting blown out. Absolutely blown out. Good trade right here. I think I cut it a little bit too early, but maybe not. Maybe it was just right. Yeah, but I would have been in a much better position starting here flat. Not to mention the excess risk that I did take on. That isn't accounted in my P&L here. Really annoying on an LSP. Really, really annoying. But, you know, that's why we do these reviews. All right, I'm gonna move on. 10 o'clock. I had a really nice trade here. What was it on? It was on an LSP, I think. Could be wrong. 10:05 actually. Oh yeah, SGN. All right, so SGN 5 minute here is closing. There's really low volume. There's a green, couple green, nice green volume bars down here. It doesn't. It looks like it's holding. So this super low volume. It's kind of just setting up for the market to be moved in a nice way. I'm sitting here only with small size queued up, but watching it intently. Watching it intently. If it wants to unwind, so be it. But boom, I see some green going through on the tape right there. I jump in. I'm a little bit late, um, but that was, I guess, a slight measure of caution. And then, boom, up there for a nice, what is that? Almost 15, 16 cent trade. That was beautiful. That was really, really nice. I liked it. I liked it a lot. Big winner there for me. In that one trade, and especially with the patience and the hunting of it, I really liked it. So I will call that a good one. And then finally, we're going to go to the front side of REBN and look at how I could have traded it. So REBN, TCTM, I'm not bummed out that I missed it. I have an ongoing thing at the moment since the beginning of the month, which is no trading of the penny stocks. And up until this point, this name was a penny stock, and then it breaks over a dollar, and so I guess it's a dollar stock, but then it's running into the green line right there and the purple line, which are both the 200 SMA and the 200 EMA on the daily chart, which tend to be levels that many traders use to base trades off of, mostly including shorts who take positions up there. And so I was predicting and staying out of the way for the excess volatility. It actually does end up going much, much higher. It was really nice, but I don't get a part of it until I take one trade on very small size, quarter of what I was going to trade it on, and I have half a penny that I lose on it, and I'm just like, yeah, whatever, I missed that. But what I did want to focus on here was this REBN. So REBN has this kind of triple top action right here, and it's trying to attack 4. The break of 70 might have been hard to get into from this position. As you can see, it's rejected multiple times. There's been a couple stocks that have rejected multiple times off specific levels, like this one is doing here. But I want to see. This had just came in within range of what I want to trade. The average of the 5 minute candles just got over 1 million shares in volume. It is testing higher, 1, 2, and now this is the third time testing higher. So breakout might be on the table. 1 minute is closing here, maybe for the break of 70, taking that. That'd be sketchy. I'd be cutting it, and then back in probably about there, and cutting again. So I'd be down 10 cents, back in again, kind of pushing it here. So this is in anticipation of the break. But boom, I'd be cutting it. Back in right there. Back out. Back in. Back out. Back in. Come on, come on, 4. Show me 4. It's hesitating. Cut it. Back in. Cut it. So I would have made a little bit of money right there. It does end up doing this little consolidation. I might be able to take a trade down there. Also right here as it tests lower. Let's see what it looks like. This would be sketchier, but ooh, gets bought up instantly. Cut. Buy again. Kind of letting it work here. Not sure what it wants to do. It doesn't look like it's in a fantastic position, so I would be very quick to cut it if I saw anything sketchy, or even if it gets above 90, I think I'll take the profit. And now it's kind of holding down lower, so maybe I'll cut right there and reposition. Oh, okay. Buy again. Not the best place. Fuck, I'll cut it. 1 second. All right. So we're back. And now the high level becomes 4. 5-minute candle closes here. The red candle produces some pressure, some downward pressure here. I think it probably breaks through. Oh, no, maybe I'll buy right there. And if I was in there in the high 60s, I could hold here, looking now for the test of maybe 90 again. It'd be hard not to take profit right here. But looking at this volume profile, I'm like, okay, do you want to close? You want to close higher? Let's see if you want to bounce above. I'm still thinking above 90. And I want to see that test. So this is kind of still in the inter-consolidation phase play, which is going to be much different than what I'm actually trying to review, which is the out of consolidation play, which tends to be a little bit more wild. So again, I would still probably be holding here from the 60s, high 60s though. Not a whole bunch of, not a whole bunch of cushion, but enough to where I'm confident I can get out close to break even if it goes crazy against me, which, it might. This volume profile is not fantastic. But I'm still thinking above the 90 for this first position profit, and then I would consider getting back in. So it does look like here it's going to retrace. Just holding on just a little bit longer, because I know if it pops here, it could easily wick up. Okay, here we go. Okay, so taking profit right there, and then still watching it. Let's see if it wants to do a reverse here. Yeah, okay. So get him in here again. Get out. Get in. Holding. Holding. It's slowing down here. Got a little bit of leeway now. It's building. Okay. Get out. Get back in. And a little high here. So now I gotta probably have to unwind. Yeah. Okay, so just kind of erase that last trade. Get back in. Get back out. Get back in. Come on. Come on. This is a tough one. Very tough. Okay, it's holding, holding. It's pushing higher now. This looks pretty strong. Get out. Get back in, get out. Get back in. Huh. Come on, explode. Get out. Get back in. Fucker. Boom. All right, now let's see it up to 30. Up to 30. Up through 30. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 33. Oh my gosh, beautiful. All right. So now I stuck with it. I traded it decently. Now I can look at the breakthrough 4-5. Okay, so it closes. I can get in here. Get out. Back in. Back out. Back in. Add. Come on, let's see through 50. Let's see through 50. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. 60, 64, 75, 75, 75, 85, 85, 85, 85, 85. Boom. Sell one, sell two. That would be a beautiful trade right there. All right. So I feel like I know how to trade. It's just I don't handle the volatility nicely just because I don't have experience with this type of volatility a lot. All right. So now, damn, it's really pushing up 5. Let's see down below 75. I want to see that chunk down. Come on. Boom. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Come on. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9. Buy. Sell. Buy. Nice. Nice. Let's see it. Let's see it back through the 80s. There we go. There we go. 83, 90. Boom. Sell. All right. So that would have been beautiful. Beautiful slapback trade. Oh, and I would have missed that. Oh, horrid. All right. Let's see what else. Looks like it's holding. Buy. Sell. Buy. Oh, irritating. So I'm in at about 20-ish. That's where the fill would be. Holding. Come on, let's see back high 20s. Boom, sell. Okay. Okay, holding off for a second here. Buy. Sell. buy, sell, buy. Ooh, sell. Probably break even on that one. This one would be tricky. Yeah, I don't like the way that's unwinding there. A lot of down pressure here. Buy. Nope, sell. Buy. Nope, sell. All right, so I lost a little bit there. Buy. Sell. Buy. Come on, let's get it back through 5, back through 5, back through 5, back through 5. Give me back through 5. Holding. Sell. Buy. Back through 80. Yeah, no, sell. All right, and then I'd probably call it right there after losing, probably a third off the top, and then it reversing on the 1 minute. All right, well, good news is I do have a foundation to trade this stuff. Bad news is I got to start small because I am locking up emotionally. So until I can stop locking up emotionally and then trade accurately, I can't trade it. And also another thing to note is this was really crazy until like this was wild stuff. It was kind of lower volume, but then volume really started to stack here, and this is when it got more tradable. Up through 4. Again, as it did this kind of like cup and handle curl up. So, all right, well, that's going to be the video for the day, for the week, for the month, and a little review of how I could have traded better. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. I will catch you guys Monday bright and early at probably around